Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you my latest boutique in miniature. It is loaded with bags, designer sunglasses, accessories, jewelry, bags to custom make. Everything. You can find everything in this boutique. But at the moment, you can see a gate. You can see that it's closed. Now the gate is an oven rack. It's one of those toaster oven racks, and I bought it at the Dollar Tree. So it gives you an effect of a closed boutique, but you can still peek inside. I even use little cardboard pieces from my own fashion accessories just to display them. Autocollants that are locks but they look like bags. Old jewelry of mine. Then there's Betty Boop here representing the boutique. And look at all those shoes on the table. Beautiful. Look at the designer sunglasses. So much to choose from. And on the wall there's a poster which represents the boutique. There's another lady in there holding a bag. Some things have a price. And look at that sign underneath the register in the front. It says, want it, wear it, love it. That's something you would see in a boutique. And on top of there are rings that I've had for a while. They've turned color, so I don't use them anymore. And there are some binder clips, decorative binder clips that I have made into bags, like this one here. You actually can use any strap you want. So this is supposed to be a custom made bag. So someone would come and buy a bag. They would choose their favorite bag. Just like when you go to the Build-A-Bear store and you choose your own items to make a bear. Well, here it's with bags. You choose the binder clip and you change the strap. That is the whole idea of this boutique. There's another bag right there. And look at the strap. Then if we keep on peeking inside, we can see another corner over there that has a shoe, a glass shoe. And it says, I am so glam, I sweat glitter. And look at the shoes, they're all over. Beautiful shoes. This is actually a card holder, this shoe here. Well, I'm not sure if it's a card holder. It does have like a little loop. So I'm not sure if you put a card on it or some jewelry, but I put like a little scarecrow on it. That I got at a yard sale a while back. And then that you see on the wall here, that woman shopping with her skirt, that is a card, a friendly card that I had. So I figured it would go great in here. And then look at that other glass purse. When in doubt, accessories. And look at the price. $25,000. That little price was from a scratch off. Then there's another corner there with the custom made bags, the binder clips with different handles. So picture yourself going into a boutique. They have certain bags and you choose the handle. That's the idea in this boutique. There are even perfumes. There's a coat rack there with bags hanging. And this here that you see with the little holes, that's a pegboard with hooks. I bought those at the Dollar Tree. And they were perfect for this boutique because I can hang the bags on each hook. The floor is just wrapping paper. This cute wrapping paper that I have, so I used it as a floor. Look at those accessories, $12. So they have affordable stuff in here, and they have very expensive bags, like the $25,000 bag. This purse here is a keychain, as you can see. There are more accessories here. There's Betty Boop. And look at that sign, shop this amazing selection plus thousands more items online. Well, I think that I have covered everything here. I hope that you've enjoyed, and thank you for watching.